Welcome to Chaco International. I am Nilamardana speaking. This is related to civil service exam main geography optional roster model in Indian context. What are the factors that influence the economic development of a country? Economic factors: capital formation, natural resources, marketable surplus, condition for foreign trade, economic system, extent of market, favorable investment pattern, occupational structure, human resource, technical know, and political freedom. Rashtra model is based on American European lifestyle, not related to Asian and African countries. The stages traditional society take up, drive to maturity, and age of high mass consumption. 5 stages traditional society precondition to take up, drive to maturity, age of high mass consumption. These are the steps. And what are the factors related to stage? That is a society, limited technology, static society, precondition for take-up, commercial exploitation of agriculture and extractive industry, take-up, development of a manufacturing sector, drive to maturity, development of wider industrial and commercial base, high mass consumption, exploitation of comparative advantage in international trade. Traditional society. Here I am only repeating the India case. India was at this stage at the time of independence in 1947, because Indian economy was processed as per the requirement of British economy, and society was less developed in terms of science and technology, limited production capacity, industry activity is very low, labor productivity low, predominance agriculture, consent of political power, British authority, and conventional techniques. Stage 2, precondition for take-up. Here not as per the roster model, here not in any individual not this job, because at the time of independence, people don't have the financial power to do the independent activity. The government of India take up the case in the terms of 5-year plan. First 5-year plan related to the agriculture, food industry. Second 5-year plan related to heavy industry. IITs were established and heavy industry was established. Hydroelectric projects were established. So this job was done by the government of India, not by the individuals as mentioned for the precondition of take-up. Characterize society as a process of transition, building of condition which the course of time to take up, rise in rate of saving and investment, development, transport and communication. The fundamental nature of socio-political structure, production technique, change in economic technical dimension, agrarian society attempt to transfer Indian industrial society, trade and commerce is broad-based. Indian economy crossed this stage with external borrowing. At this stage, investment in way of foreign direct investment, portfolio investment was very limited. Stage 3, take-up stage. Rapid growth is generated a limited number of economic activities such as textile, food product. These few take-up industry achieved the technical advances and become the productivity, while other sectors the economy remain dominated by the limited technical knowledge. In India, this the offered by green revolutions. Green revolutions increased the agriculture productivity to manifold. India, the food crisis was over due to increased technology, fertilizers, pesticides, and improved new variety of seeds. The characters in this period of growth become the nominal condition of society. More complex economic requirement take up, rise in capital investment, saving, development of one or more substantial manufacturing sectors with a high rate of growth. Then stage 4, drive to maturity. In the course of time, days of soft loan and borrowing are limited. So India balance of payment questionable. So India government forced to make economic reform 1991 with permission to allow the foreign players to invest in the Indian market. That is called a foreign direct investment, because that time the foreign direct investment portfolio investment started and the days of soft loan was over. And fortunately, after reform, the growth of Indian economy more to that of the before reform. Here, what is the character? Change in the character, labor force, change in the character, entrepreneurship, increase the investment. Then age of mass consumption. Yes, a society approaches the maturity. The economy of shifts from production of heavy industry to the consumer goods like motor vehicle refrigerators. Attention shift from problem production up to problem consumption. India will take some time to reach at this stage due to heavy population. India is the third largest economy in the world in terms of purchase power parity. GDP per capita, India position 165. GDP per capita PPP, India position 155. GDP per capita dollar 2191 nominal and 7,333 PPP. But here the Gini coefficient, that is the most important. 1986 it was 0.327, 1992 0.317, 1991 0.40, 0.0405, 0.45, 2011, 0.357, 2014, 0.34, 2018, 0.479. Gini coefficient means, if you 4 means 47.9%. It will be 100%. That means it is not equally balanced. 1 means here the growth is equally balanced. That is inclusive growth. More related nearer to 100% means not inclusive. India needs inclusive growth. Criticism of this rostrum model. A model is applicable to developed countries. Rostrum model does not apply to Asian and African countries. Stages are not identified properly at the condition of takeoff and pre-takeoff stages are similar and overlap. Rostrum opines growth becomes automatic by the time it reaches the mature stage, but no growth can be automatic. There is all need a post for a particular developed country and developing country and developed country see the corona that they also open for the post. With this presentation, the presentation is complete. Like, subscribe, put the bell icon. Thank you.